Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use JavaScript object. Let's go to our Notepad++ and then type script bar car equals new object. And then car dot brand equals Toyota. And then car dot color equals white. Oops, white. And then type here document that write your car brand is plus and then car brand plus and the color is plus car dot color, then close the script, then save it as object dot html, then let's run Chrome, then your car brand is Toyota and the color is white. You will call the car brand here and then the car color. And that's it guys, it's working. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.